starts right up every time. Don't have to worry. What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon Dagger coming to you guys with a brand new video. Today we're working on the 8th gen. We're putting the push to start in this. I picked up a push to start on Marketplace. So now we're gonna install it on here. And we're gonna be installing the push to start. I don't know how to do it. Watching maybe a few videos from your boy Zosh to your boy Zosh. Hopefully we can figure this out. This car is dirty. I need to wash this thing. It is so gross. Still don't have my headliner in here. Probably not gonna run it, but honestly, I'm cool without it. Oh my god, it's so hot. California's starting to get hot now. So let me show you guys the push to start. I have everything here. Like I said, I got this off of Marketplace. The dude pretty much just said he opened it and tried it, but as you can see, like this part right here, never been opened. Like this is a brand new bag. So I don't know, this guy maybe didn't want it, but got a good deal on that. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking apart the interior and get this push button installed. All right, if I remember this correctly, you need to take this little bottom piece out, which last time I did it, it just came right out. Yep. Take this piece out. So that's good. There's 2 screws in this thing, and I don't know why. The screw for this is also gone. So this should come right off too. Yep. I forgot what I was trying to do, but I tried to like take this apart for some reason and noticed that a lot of that stuff was already missing. Let's take this out. And just like that. That's all out. Now I just gotta disconnect the buttons on the back. And that's pretty much that. That was easier than I thought. Now I think I'm gonna take the steering wheel off to maybe get under there. Though I don't think I need to. I think I'm going to anyways. So I'm gonna go remove the steering wheel. Okay, I pretty much got the steering wheel out of the way. All the 3 screws are out. Now this pretty much should just come apart. Look at that. Hope that ain't broke. But got this piece out. Oh, I broke a clip. Okay, got that out. Now pretty much this little plug right here that you guys see, it's pretty much, dude, I don't know if that's glare. Pretty much just unplug this. Then you get the other harness, and I'll show you guys how to wire everything all up. Pretty much just looking at the wiring, it's pretty simple. Just plug the male to the female, vice versa on the other side. So let me kind of show you what that looks like. I don't know if I can show you that this way. I guess y'all can kind of see it. I'll crop it up so y'all can see it. But this will pretty much go here. Oh, that goes a little way. So that goes there. This side will then go under and over. Like so. Make sure you guys hear that click. So this is all good here, and then you have a ground wire that you're gonna have to run. Pretty much what you'll do is get that under here, which is a 12 mil. So you're kind of looking at the car. Right under there. Right there. Little 12 mil. Little peekaboo. Take that off. Put the wire, the ground in there. Feed this through, and then it'll come out through here, which I'll get to you guys in just a second. Okay, I pretty much got everything, not everything, but this part of the column installed back. Kind of a pain in the ass, but I was able to get it. It is kind of a bitch to line up because of that little box right there. That's like that extra room in there, but should be good now. Now I got everything over here, which is just kind of chilling over here. And then I got the button and everything here. So I'm gonna figure all this out and try to figure how we're gonna get the button and everything to stay over there. So now it's gonna move over there. This might be the most Mickey Mouse shit I've ever done. So let's start with this side. Washer, nut, zip tie to hold it down. Good. All right. Not garbage. This side, zip tie, same way. Screw, hold it down. Washer. Okay. There you go. Now this is where it gets a little complicated. Okay. Zip tie from here to here. I was able to keep this little piece right there. Zip tie. I had to make it long to hold down the washer. Now, moving to the bottom side is a pop clip down there that I had to Dremel to make it smooth. That's hopefully gonna stay, which I don't think it will, but I mean, for the most part, when I press the button, it doesn't move. So now we're gonna go ahead and move back into the car and put it in.
Hey, that's too close to them. To the race car. Right? Whoa, what are you trying to see? You're
the
fucking...
clip fell right out. Okay, well let's see if we can.
You're saying we got a problem?
Dude, what? How did I take this out? What the fuck? Am I an idiot? Welcome to Jackass. Oh.
Stop it. That's not funny.
Welcome to Kiss My Ass.
Okay, no more. Turn it off. At least we're following safety rules.
Got everything reassembled for probably like the 6th time. And the hardest part was, I don't know, I'm not gonna take this off to show you guys honestly, but the bracket on the bottom that holds the other screw, you need to completely shave that and make it flat, because honestly it literally holds in like the entire piece. So I cut the 2 zip ties that were like Mickey Mouse. I'll show you guys this picture, but made it one piece and then pretty much just took everything else out besides the 2 washers that are here and here. So those are holding, no, sorry, here and here? Top and bottom somewhere. So, top and bottom somewhere. The 2 washers are still in there. The zip ties I cut. So now when I put my clutch in, as you can see, and just hit the button, and there's no movement here. It's like perfect. I couldn't probably wanted that a better way. It took us a little bit of taking this off, putting it back on, taking it off, putting it back on. But I'm glad we were able to do it. I might try to get another piece here just so it looks a little bit nicer in here. But for the most part, I'm excited. And then obviously to turn it off, you just do that. In, turn, clutch in. Now it's a push button. That is so cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean this up, make everything neat again, and continue our day.
Cannon.
That be